We're tired. We're just trying to get through LX 70 hours. They start at 7:30 at Animal Kingdom, and right now it's
7:33.
Yeah.
So it starts
7:35. So we're not gonna make it.
Not gonna make
No,
it.
not at all.
I don't like these roundabouts in America.
They work the same. Just keep on the right.
They shouldn't have roundabouts.
It's very tiny. Oh,
sorry.
God. So yeah, today is a.
It's not coronavirus.
Today is a bit cloudy and bit cold, but not too bad, I guess. I will see later on. And the plan is to go to Animal Kingdom, and then maybe we're going to have a rest in the room
Maybe.
and go to another park maybe.
I just fall asleep
Or
when
I
I
don't
have a
know.
rest.
I mean, today's a Sunday, so the parks might be quite busy.
You might have a round of golf.
I don't know, I mean, it's not amazing weather, so I don't know, but I guess it being a weekend is
Wait
still
there.
going to be a lot of people around. So yeah, anything else that we're like? Yeah.
Just gonna see how the day goes. It's just free and easy. Why make plans at 7:30? The only plan you should have at 7:30 is probably to be in bed.
Yeah. Oh well.
We did stop at the stop sign. I'm getting to that stage now where I'm getting a bit more confident with driving, so I can criticise other drivers.
Great.
Which is probably only going to end in disaster.
Oh,
We might go for beignets. That might be the secret.
again. I don't think so.
Maybe. Highlight of the week so far.
Hey, pretty baby, come and save me. I got a confession for you. Call me crazy, but I may be committing a crime of the first degree. I'm not pretending, I mean what I'm saying. I'm coming in with my hands held high. Gotta face it, I'm not gonna make it without your love, and I got nowhere.
So are they going to change all the signs like this?
Yeah, because look, it's got the Star Wars Galactic Star Cruiser on it.
Oh, I see.
This is the new style. I like it. It's more modern.
All of them are going to be like that.
Yes.
So you're going to get rid of the purple and red.
Yes.
Oh. There's only that sign because this one is back again.
Yeah, because that one's new because it's got the Star Cruiser on it.
I see.
So, yeah, I think that's the only one they've done so far. I picked a terrible lane again.
You normally do. Yeah, you pick the one with 3 cars instead of the one with 2. So
Don't
yeah,
think I can move now. It might be a bit risky.
yeah, you just want to pick the one with the most cars.
Shall I just wait here?
Well, yeah, I guess. Because now once you commit, you commit. And this one was very chatty.
Have we talked about how? Oh yeah, the free parking and how you show your magic band and they can.
What's free parking?
Well, the way that you demonstrate that you're entitled to free parking with an annual pass or a DVC stay.
Yeah. Well, I don't know if we say it, but we can say it now. So yeah, basically we are not paying for the parking. Parking is $25 right now. Every time that you come here, well, I mean, you only pay one day, and if you park hop,
Yeah,
you
that's
still
right,
get your ticket. You don't have to pay anymore. But if you are a DVC member staying
on points.
on a resort, so then you don't have to pay. So basically you just come here, and it's quite easy. You just say, I'm a DVC member, annual pass holder, whatever.
And they just scan your magic band to see
yeah.
that you've got to stay.
Just can, and it's fine.
And I think annual pass holders part for free, but I'm less sure on that.
Yeah, that's it. gonna stay here. Ah! Well, thanks for carrying him. That's very nice of you. So it's, what time is it? 8:15. Flight of passage is already an hour, so we got a return time for that. Meanwhile, we're in this part of the park that seems empty, really. I'm going to the dinosaur. How long is the wait? It's 5. It's 5. Yeah, basically everyone is in Avatar World, basically.
Didn't get on.
What's that? T-Rex. It's massive. This is just like a walking.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. Oh, and one more thing. Those locked coordinates. We're in. Now, here's the drill. You follow the homing signal to the iguanodon, then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom, you're back with one additional passenger extra large. And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me, what could go wrong?
What? Are you still on the scooter? No, you leave it. It's just that. Just feel like a bit more like here. So I can see the thing on the scooter, yeah. It's a big dino. Do you reckon that one will eat you?
No, he looks friendly.
Is it? I think he's vegetarian.
He's not a vegetarian.
Yeah, it's plants. That's why he's got the long neck to go on the trees. Also, he's very tall, so he needs very long trees.
Donald and his friends have a dino-rific day exploring Disney's Animal Kingdom.
Have you upgraded your scooter? Is that better?
Yeah.
Does it go faster? Looks like a circle.
Such an impressive animatronic, that. Wait, is it real?
Oh. Going fast. Oh, there, it's good together. Home.
Stone wetty. Tineo solid Z. Na ring ting lao.
First in the class.
No, bottom of the class it will be. It'll be so bad, they'll throw me out.
I think you can see here on the screen what they are doing.
I like this tiki room. That's purchasing.
Very good. I see.
Sorry.
Not bad. Not bad. I thought it was going to be horrendous. Pretty the same. Yeah. How about yours with that?
You have to.
Yeah. You didn't sign it.
Welcome aboard the Wildlife Express, with service from Rafiki's Planet Launch to the village of Harama. As you head back out into Disney's Animal Kingdom, we hope you take with you a great appreciation for the very journey that led us here.